I'm Jared Dienda. We're here in Kenosha, Wisconsin at Snap-on Tools World Headquarters. I got John Landry with me. John, educate us on the Snap-on air hammer.
Okay, the Snap-on PH3050 is a staple, the flagship of Snap-on pneumatic tools. It has 2,500 blows per minute, and that power comes from a hardened steel piston inside a high-grade steel barrel, and the nose is induction heat treated to handle all the work that's being done by the chisel and the piston at the front end of the tool. Despite all that power, it's a low vibration because of the dual elastomer mounts on either side of the barrel, which absorb a lot of that shock. And it's very easy to control the speed via this variable speed trigger or this air regulator 4-speed selector knob. It also has a quick change bit remover. It's very easy to install or remove the bits via this chuck. The bits themselves are differential heat treated so that the front end that does the work is different than the back end that's inside the tool.
Yeah, some bits get mushroomed, they get stuck, and they get compromised. Also, we have two different styles, some that rotates and some that gets fixed position.
Correct, that little feature right there keeps the bit in place from rotating.
And of course, there's a whole assortment of bits here, starting off with some of the most popular.
Yeah, that's a general purpose set that has 5 of our most popular chisel bits. Here we have a suspension selection. This is for doing front end work, so on. This is a general set, but used mostly for, like, say, exhaust systems. This is for door hinge removal to pop out the pins, and that's for valve guide removal or installation when doing engine work.
Yep.
And finally, there's a special set there, as you see, that has tips for non-sparking or deep reach in the length, and there's 3 different material types there for a variety of hammering applications.
All right, so a variety of different bits and a variety of different colors. And remember, manufactured in Murphy, North Carolina. Talk to your Snap-on franchisee today about acquiring your Snap-on air hammer.